Warning for Santa Rosa. This is the listening area here.
Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Apalachicola to Destin, Florida.
Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a tornado warning for south central Escambia County in south central Alabama, northwestern Escambia County in northwestern Florida, northwestern Santa Rosa County in northwestern Florida until 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:21 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 10 miles northwest of Molino, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and ping pong ball size.
Oh my gosh.
Source, radar indicated
More hail.
rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Century around 3:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. Flomaton around 3:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. Jay around 3:55 p.m. Central Standard Time. Riverview and Pollard around 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Escambia, Alabama.
I pray for these people. Another one. Severe thunderstorm warning. Please be a doubleheader.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Apalachicola to Destin, Florida, 20 nautical miles. Waters from Apalachicola to Destin, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 4:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:01 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe...
Here we go.
The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Connecticut County in south central Alabama, northwestern Escambia County in south central Alabama until 4:15 p.m. Central Standard Time.
Look how rapidly these are issued.
p.m. Central Standard Time. A severe thunderstorm was located over Interstate 65 and Alabama Highway 113.
That's rare.
Or 15 miles north of Flomaton, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Typical.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Evergreen, Castleberry, Interstate 65 and Alabama Highway 41, I-65 and Alabama 83, Interstate 65 and Alabama Highway 113, Interstate 65 and County Road 6, and Interstate 65 and Highway 84. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure, intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Alabama, Connecticut, and Escambia. The severe thunderstorm